Hello everybody, now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadikis 5th edition. The question number is 2.49 and we are asked to transform the circuits given in figure from delta to Y. So here we are given two problems. We are asked to transform this circuits into star network or Y network. It is given in delta format. Okay, let's get started. So we start with the A problem. So in the ohms we have 12 ohms, 12 ohms and 12 ohms. All the values are same. And actually they are named as RA, RB, RC, isn't it? Okay, we named them. And within this we frame this delta network or the Y network also, and we name the resistance. We are yet to find the values of these resistance. So this formula is available. In order to find out this R1 for this Y conversion, it is equal to RB RC, that is the product of these two, okay, divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So just we employ this formula and substitute the values. So it is 12 into 12 divided by 12 plus 12 plus 12. So we get it as 144 divided by 36, that is equal to 4 ohm. Since we have all the values of this ohms of the delta networks as 12, the R1, R2, R3 values are also the same, that is 4 ohms. So we frame this star or the Y network with 4 ohm resistances, okay, or 1 or 2 or 3. So the first A problem is solved. Now we move on to the B problem. So in the B problem we have different values of the resistances in the ohms: 60 ohms, 10 ohms and 30 ohms. Okay, so this is delta. We need to convert it into star. Okay, so we know the formula. In order to get this R1, first we form this network, that is Y network. Here it is in the form of Y, that's why it's called as Y, right? It's also known as star. So in order to find out this R1 in the formula, we can substitute the values, that is RB, RC. What are the values of RB and RC? It is 30 and 60. Okay, so product of RB and RC divided by sum of all these resistances, that is RA plus RB plus RC. So it is 10 plus 30 plus 60. Then we get this answer as 1800 divided by 100, right? So it is 18 ohms. Similarly, we'll move on to find the answer for R2. Answer for R2. So what is this? It is RC RA. So what is the value of RC? It is 60. RA value is 10. So 60 into 10 divided by 10 plus 30 plus 60. 10 plus 60 plus 30. So what's the value of R2, or how to find the value of R2? R2 is equal to RC RA. That means this 60 multiplied by 10 divided by the summation of these three values, that is 60 plus 10 plus 30. So how to calculate this R2? So the same formula, right? RC RA divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So it is RC is 60 into this RA 10 divided by 100. So 600 by 100, it is 6 ohm. Then R3 is, so it is R3, so it is connected with this RA and RB, right? So we can put it as 10 into 30 divided by this 100, right? So it is 300 by 100, so it is 3 ohms. So we got the answer. Now the delta is converted into star, so its equivalent network is given here: R1 with 18 ohms, R2 with 6 ohms and R3 with 3 ohms. Okay, so we solved the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. Okay, thank you.